Hello friends, now I am going to discuss a topic is called the Hooke's law. So this is basically the continuation of my elasticity chapter, and this is a very simple law, and this law states that within elastic limit, okay, this is the important point, within the elastic limit, okay, so within elastic limit our stress is proportional to the strain. So what is the formula for the stress? Stress directly proportional to the strain. And what is the formula for stress? F by A, it is directly proportional to the change in length by original length. So the main point is that it is within the elastic limit. So our Hooke's law valid only in case of elastic limit. Understood? Now the graph is just like this. Suppose this is my stress and this is my strain. So it is directly proportional. So I can get the graph is like this. It is a straight line. Okay. So Hooke's law says that within elastic limit our stress is directly proportional to the strain. It means if I increase the stress, my strain is automatically increased with that respect. It means it is directly proportional to the strain. Okay. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel to get the more updates. Thank you.